Hi again, it's Marcy from Quick Start Piano, and it's just after Labor Day. You know what that means, Christmas music. If you're a piano player, you know that we cannot wait until December to start playing piano music, especially if you're playing at a higher level and you have some harder pieces you want to learn. The harder the piece, the longer it takes to learn. So we're going to start off with some videos in the intermediate level, and as we get closer to Christmas, we'll do a few easier ones.